Photos can be a powerful way to capture your audience's attention and to promote your business in social media. Here are a few tips for creating top photo content in social media. First, use high quality images. On social media, people are bombarded with visual content, so it's important to use high quality images to make your content stand out. Use a good camera and natural lighting where possible. A top smartphone will now add effects, such as in these photos, a slightly blurred background, and this happens automatically. Use a consistent style. Establishing a consistent visual style for your photos can help to make your content more recognizable and cohesive. This might involve using the same filter or color scheme for all of your photos. The Culpeper uses consistent food and interior shots to promote their pub. Similar angles and colors are used throughout. The White Horse in Chilgrove uses a lot of outdoor photography, showcasing the rolling South Downs. Being situated in the countryside is a huge USP for them, so they really maximise on this throughout their photos. Next, tell a story. Use your photos to tell a story or convey a message in a way that's interesting and compelling. This might involve using a series of photos to show a progression, such as a menu, or a transformation like a before and after. You could use captions to add context to your image, or you could upload a variety of images to a multi-image post like this one on the right, which allows users to scroll through lots of different photos of, say, an event. So when you're taking photos, do make sure that you think about natural daylight. Modern smartphones can lighten up any image easily, but using natural daylight will really help to improve the quality of your photos. Always try to take portrait style images rather than landscape because they take up more space in the newsfeed. Remember to give your lens a quick wipe before you start taking any content, taking any photos. And also you might use some additional lighting to help brighten up that photo. Frame your photo so the main focus is in the middle of the shot, ensuring it's not blocked or blurred out. Try not to zoom in, but actually get closer to your subject. And have a look at some of the inbuilt editing features on your up-to-date smartphone. Photos can be easily brightened, cropped, or filtered within your media library on your phone. Or if you'd prefer to use an external app, there are a number of free ones out there to help you brighten your shots. And we've added a link to a few of them in the notes below. You could use an app like Photoshop Express to crop, add filters or effects to your photos. So in this example, I have added a filter to really brighten the image. Have a play around with some of these apps and see what kind of features you prefer. So to recap, here's a guide to photography for social media. Use a high quality camera. Remember, this is going to make a big impact on your photos and how your pub is perceived. So it's worth investing in a phone with a good camera. And don't forget to clean that lens. Create a consistent style. Use your photos to tell a story and edit your photos. While it is important not to over-edit, a little editing can go a long way in making sure your photos look their best. By following these tips, you can create high-quality photos that will help your business to stand out in social media.